This is the new product from Southwire. The model number is SMM1214HD. The Forge Romex stripper. Picked it on Amazon for 53 Canadian. Guaranteed for life. It is heavy duty forged steel. Wide jaws for wire twisting. 12-2-14-2 Romex. And on the back of the package, it's got wide jaws for twisting multiple conductors, wire looping hole, 632 and 832 bolt shears, spring-loaded handles, ergonomic curved comfort grip handles, pinch-free leather holes or lanyards. Now, it's not used on live circuits, and it is made in China. So we'll take a look at this new product from Southwire. This is the Southwire wire stripper for Romex. It's got the 12-2 and the 14-2 wire stripper here. It's got the looper. It's got the 632nd, 832nd. It's got the little clip with the spring jaws here. And it's comfortable in the hand. It's larger than I thought. And I like the ends here. You see how the ends are bigger now, so now I'll be able to use these ends to twist wires together. Nice feature. And these are engraved. They're engraved on there, so they're not going to fade away after several uses. Handles are nice, and then they got the ends here where you have the what do you call these things? The tether straps on the end of here, so they're a little bit different. See how they're beveled in, not the full length of the pliers here. Comfortable grip, solid pair of wire strippers from Southwire. Fairly new, I just bought them off Amazon. We'll take a look at these today. The Southwire Romex stripper does come with an 832nd and a 632nd bolt cutter. I'm going to try that out. The 832nd, and this is from one of my other props from one of my other videos. 832nd will thread it through here and see if it'll cut this bolt. The pliers open here, and we'll thread it through here. You see it coming through there now. It's going to cut about the middle of the pliers here. Going to cut about the middle of the pliers here. And it's going to fly, so we'll put our safety glasses on here. So that's an 832nd bolt. Going to cut it. There we go. Cut it. Take it out here. Shear it off. There's the other piece here. Thread it back in the junction box. There you go. Back in. We still have our glasses on. Let's try the 632nd. I got a nut on the end of this, so that if the threads do screw up, at least it'll still work. So thread that through. Just about through here on this end. Got it. We got our safety glasses on. It's going to fly. Much easier. Smaller bolt. Cut it with ease. Now unthread it. See if it'll thread back. See if it cut it clean, and it'll thread back. Yo. And it did. Nice job. Wire cutters on the Southwire Romex stripper makes a very nice clean cut. Very nice clean cut. Now, this is old wire here. tougher wire, that old sheathing. It still cuts it. Nice cutters. This is 14-2 Romex wire, and we're going to cut a piece off here, and that's nice and easy here. Now I can cut the sheathing off this 14-2 wire. You see 14-2 here and 12-2, they're etched on there, and cut off about 6 to 8 inches here. There you go. Makes a nice cut of the sheathing. I'm going to cut the end now. On the back of this outlet, it's got strip gauge. So this is the one they want you to strip the wire off, the black and the white, the neutral, to put on the screws here. So they'll give you an idea how much you're going to have to take off. We use our 14 cutters here, 14-2 cutters. Strip that off. Might as well strip the white one at the same time. Measure it up here. About there. Use our 14-2 wire stripper. There you go. Now we're going to use the looper to loop our wires here. That's pretty close. There's our loops. On this receptacle, it shows you actually the hot wire written there, and it shows you the white wire written there. So the hot wire's got the gold screws, and the white wire goes on the neutral wire goes on the silver screws. Wire goes on the gold screw, the white wire goes on the silver screw. So we'll hook this up. Now you loop it the same way you would tighten the screw. So you loop it this way, and then you tighten the screw so that the wire tightens against the screw here. And we'll flip it over to the same side of the white wire. So the white wire goes on the silver screw. Just hook that in here. And you turn it the same way. You hook it the same way you turn it so it tightens against the screw and the receptacle. Loop the ground screw as well. Use that looper here. Makes a nice loop. We'll hook that on to the ground screw here. Same thing, twist it the way I'll tighten it a little bit here into the pliers here. Tighten the same way. You loop it the same way you're going to tighten the screw. There you go. So the end of the jaws are a little bit thicker. You can see the profile here, a bit thicker, and they have teeth inside here. So it makes it easier. So you're going to twist two wires together, two copper wires together here. Makes it easier to twist them together here. So there you go. So it has a lot of features. I like them. The has some nice features. I like the fact it's only 14 and 12 gauge as the sheathing cutter. It has the ends you can twist wires together. It's got the nice handles. It's got the spring-loaded handles here. Lanyards here. They're different than the lanyards here. All round nice pair of Romex stripping pliers. I thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. If you watch this for the first time today, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video today. Have a great day. And remember, people, wear your safety glasses.